1 cup a day to beat depression works at light speed. Rapid mood improvement through natural support. 6 months ago, getting out of bed felt impossible. The weight of depression pressed down like concrete blankets, making simple tasks feel insurmountable. My therapist suggested exploring natural mood support alongside traditional therapy. What she recommended changed my daily experience in ways I never expected. That first sip marked the beginning of gradual transformation. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier within 30 minutes. This compound increases GABA, dopamine, and serotonin production naturally. According to the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, L-theanine promotes relaxation without sedation while supporting positive mood states. Here's what happened during my careful experimentation process. Morning green tea replaced my usual coffee routine gradually. The sustained energy felt different, calmer yet more alert. Anxiety levels decreased noticeably within the first week of consistent consumption. But quality and timing matter significantly for therapeutic benefits. Matcha powder provides concentrated L-theanine levels compared to regular tea bags. 1 teaspoon contains the equivalent of 4 cups of brewed green tea. The ceremonial preparation creates mindful moments that enhance mood-supporting rituals. My transformation involved more than just drinking tea regularly. Combining warm beverages with morning sunlight exposure amplified benefits naturally. Vitamin synthesis and L-theanine worked synergistically to support neurotransmitter balance. The science behind rapid mood improvement involves multiple mechanisms. Caffeine in green tea provides gentle stimulation without the crashes associated with coffee. Research from Harvard School of Public Health shows that moderate caffeine intake supports cognitive function and mood stability. Here are the preparation methods that maximize therapeutic effects. Steep loose green tea leaves for 3 minutes in 175-degree water. This temperature preserves delicate compounds while preventing bitter tannins from overwhelming beneficial elements. Some people experience caffeine sensitivity or sleep disruption initially. Start with half portions and monitor your body's response carefully. Avoid consumption after 2 p.m. to prevent interference with natural sleep cycles. Chamomile tea offers evening mood support through different pathways. This herb contains apigenin, which binds to benzodiazepine receptors promoting relaxation. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health recognizes chamomile's anti-anxiety properties. My evening routine incorporated herbal teas strategically. Chamomile, passionflower, and lemon balm created calming rituals that improved sleep quality. Better sleep supported daytime mood stability more effectively than stimulants alone. Turmeric golden milk provides anti-inflammatory support for brain health. Chronic inflammation contributes to depression through cytokine interference with neurotransmitters. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and reduces neuroinflammation within hours. The preparation ritual became as therapeutic as consumption itself. Mindful tea preparation creates moments of present-focused attention. This meditative practice interrupts ruminating thought patterns that fuel depressive episodes. My therapist noticed improvements in session engagement within weeks. Increased alertness and reduced brain fog enhanced therapy effectiveness significantly. The combination of professional support and natural mood enhancement created positive momentum. Social aspects of tea consumption provided unexpected benefits. Sharing afternoon tea with friends created connection opportunities. Isolation feeds depression, while meaningful social interaction supports recovery naturally. Research shows that routine establishment supports mental health recovery. Consistent tea times created structure in previously chaotic days. Small accomplishable rituals build confidence and self-efficacy gradually. Tracking mood changes alongside tea consumption revealed important patterns. Energy levels stabilized throughout the day rather than experiencing extreme fluctuations. Anxiety episodes decreased in both frequency and intensity over time. Exercise combined with green tea consumption enhanced mood benefits significantly. L-theanine improved focus during physical activity while reducing exercise-induced stress responses. This combination created sustainable energy for daily movement practice. My doctor supported adding natural mood support to comprehensive treatment. Blood tests showed improved inflammatory markers and stress hormone levels. However, she emphasized that severe depression requires professional treatment always.